Hi everyone, Izumi here. Today I want to show you how to upload your will on Bereev. The first thing you want to do is go to categories and look for departure. Let's click on that. And on top here you can see the option to add your will. So let's just click on edit. If you haven't added anything yet, this will be an empty page. So let's just click on add will. The first thing you want to do is you want to specify when was this will written. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, next you want to let your family know how to locate the physical or original copy. If you are a Malaysian, this is very important because the court needs to see the physical copy of your will to grant your family the probate. So let's go ahead and write down where I kept my will. Next, you can actually upload a digital copy of your will if you have a PDF version, or you can just take a photo of your will and add it here. Alright, so the last thing you can do is you can mark this particular version as the latest version if you have written more than one will. So let's go ahead and do that. Once you're done, check everything and then click on add. Alright, that's it. Now you can see under my will section, there's a will that was written on the 14th of August 2020 and it was marked as the latest version. So if you want to come back to this section again, let's just say you're on your dashboard, just always go to categories, click on departure, and you will see under the will section, this was a will that you uploaded previously. If you have a new version, just click on add right here. If you want to edit the current will, just click on it. You can review all the details here, or you can even download the will by clicking on this file. If you want to edit, click on edit. And if you want to remove this version, let's just say there was a mistake, just go ahead and click remove and confirm, and that's it. So adding your will is super easy on Bereev. It's actually almost the same process as adding your wasiat if you're a Muslim, or even your hibah. So that's it from me today guys. I'll be back again soon with another easy tutorial on how to use Bereev. Bye bye.